Hello, Brooklyn and beyond. So today, got the Hohem Gimbal, my Lume Cube, GoPro Hero 9, and let me get this on. I want to see what the real difference is at nighttime shooting with the stabilization. So right now, I have it recording at 4K, 24 frames a second, the wide view, and the boost is on 3.0. Recording. Let's see how it goes. This one is with the stabilization on, 4K, 24 frames a second. Alright, now let me switch it to the one with the stabilization off. Hey, turn around, face me. Turn around, face me. There we go. Now I'm gonna switch it to the stabilization turned off. Alright, so now this is with the stabilization turned off. Still 4K, still 24 frames per second. You can see if you see any of that jello that you usually get when it's nighttime and you're using a GoPro and the stabilization is on. But now it's off, but with the gimbal, we still shouldn't see my bouncing when I walk. Let's give it a try. Hey cat. Alright, in my haste, I forgot to try this without a gimbal. So this is the 4K, 24 frames a second. This one is with the linear on and the horizontal leveling. So this one is being stabilized. With regular selfie stick, no gimbal. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the stabilization so it'll be 24 frames per second, selfie stick, no gimbal, and no stabilization. Okay, 24 frames a second, linear, no stabilization. Alright, so now I could probably go inside, see what the difference looks like. As you can see, without the stabilization though, there's a lot less crop in the linear, so you can see more of me, but you see a lot more of that. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Alright, 2 more tests. I forgot all about the Max Lens Mod. So, Max Lens Mod, horizontal leveling, everything. This is the max. I could turn this camera sideways like this right now. I just did it, and nothing changes. But how does the stabilization look at night? And with this, do you truly need a gimbal? Lume Cube's keeping everything light, so you can pretty much see the horizon, sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it upside down. So right now it's upside down. Turn it back. And this is with the Max Lens Mod. Woo, getting windy out here. I gotta hurry up and take a picture of the moon too. But now I'm gonna switch to the Max Mod lens on the gimbal. Alright, so this is the last test here. The Max Mod on the Hoyim gimbal. So this should be like the ultimate stabilization. And look, the moon's out. I gotta hurry up and take that picture. Okay. So this was with the Max Lens Mod and the gimbal. 2.7K, can't do 4K with the Max Mod lens, but it's still 24 frames per second. All the stabilization is on. Alright, so now go and chop it up after I shoot the moon. Z62 baby, Nikon, I'm out.